Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can export files from Pipedrive into XLS folder or document in 2022. So we are here in our new Pipedrive account where we set it up some things to show you. So let's go to deals on the left side, and at the moment we created one deal. That one deal is Rocket Company lead that we converted into deal in a previous video. We have all the things that we need, all the business opportunities meetings and stuff like that. What we want to do now, we want to export it into Microsoft Excel document, which is actually very easy. What we have to do once we are in this window where we got by basically clicking on deals and then the specific deal you want to export, there's a top right corner and there are these three magical dots. Once we click on them, we can duplicate the deal, merge it with existing deal, delete the deal, export as XLS, convert to a lead, and manage sidebar sections. What we want to simply do is export as XLS. And here you have it. On this recording computer, unfortunately, I don't have Microsoft Excel loaded or installed, but I know for a fact that in my business computer, it works more than enough, like it works perfectly. In these three dots, you can also do very nice things, meaning duplicate it. Many people in our company is using it if they are lazy enough, and basically all the deals stays the same, but only thing that's changing are basically the values. It's not, for example, $100,000, but $50,000. So then you don't have to add all the other columns and all the names, all the dates. In fact, you can always change the dates. That's not a problem. But yeah, it's always nice to just make your work easier and just duplicate the unnecessary things that you don't have to write down all over again and again and again and again. So that's about it, guys. Hope you found it useful. If you have any more questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.